Biafra government in exile building a digital currency called Biafra Coin. This one is coming from C0in Ekpa. No be small thing, no. As we dey talk right now, C0in Ekpa say that the Biafra government in exile don't take over N0w case, that from now henceforth that the Biafra government in exile will be seeing all the whole legal procedure in the case. No be small thing, no. As we dey talk that one, they say Metusela don't go Biafra land though, as the trend say they deport am from Austria go Nigeria. Now the guy enter inside market, they ask people where they for market, say whether they sit at home. They say that the sit at home is no longer working in Biafra land, according to Metusela. Things are happening. However, my wonderful people, we go look how this thing take they happen. Yeah, welcome back to Balabas GC. Today are the first time when they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My people, things are happening, so we dey here today to update you of things where they go on as we dey talk right now. They say that Biafra government in exile say they don't build Biafra digital currency. They are on it, and which is they go call them Biafra Coin. So let us read it the way they take explain them for this particular article. It said that breaking on the issue of exchanging your naira to Biafra currency. The Biafra government has adopted the digital currency, otherwise called Biafra Coin. You will soon start buying assets with Biafra Coin. We will start with a digital currency and gradually unveil the rest, depending on the acceptability and the strength of our Federal Reserve. All this need hard work, commitment, dedication, patience, and the resources to achieve it. But I can assure you that we are close. C0in Ekpa. No be small thing, no, my wonderful people. So if you get money, may you prepare to carry and go put for this Biafra Coin as they come. As we dey talk that one, let's go and look the next ogbonge news where we still get for our hand though, as the Biafra government in exile say they don't take over N0w case. Let's look into it and know how they go for inside that place. The Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic government in exile, C0in Ekpa, has just announced the government takeover of the Biafra leader legal responsibility, including the activities of his legal counsel. This comes after a meeting with the legal counsel today. The Prime Minister made it clear that the ongoing Biafra restoration and the taking over the Biafra leader legal responsibility are two different issues. In the remark, the Prime Minister stand that the Biafra government will continue fighting for Biafra independence, while the legal team will continue their legal action on towards the release of their leader, N0w. This is coming from C0in Ekpa and is coming from Biafra government in exile. Guys, just let me know what you think about this this article that we just read out right now, that coming from Biafra government in exile. No be small thing, no, as that one they happen. Let's still jump into the next matter where we get for our hand. This our brother where they call Metusela, where be hardcore duels. They say the guy don't come outside though. Come they show some videos. They talk so kind things. Put for inside the video say in don't go Biafra, and in don't show people say there's nothing like sit at home going on as we they talk right now. Let's watch the video before we will come back. Come continue.
Live and direct in Biafra land. Today is Monday, 5th of February in the year of our Lord 2024. As a major Okumbia, it's a major Okumbia when Nimaya, Ebane, may sit at home. We are Babu people. Sometimes I'm a little bit confused. I am on ground, they got my hammer. Anama judge Subiko, Indian on all, Uno Gari, and Mamma, lockdown. And everywhere is bubbling. I'm not saying it because I'm happy. Now people are not sitting at home. No. I will have with freedom. I want to about N0w from detention. The reason I have my on it is because a lot of people. Everywhere is bubbling. Everywhere. I know what here. Everywhere is bubbling. Monday 5th of February. I know what I got here. There are noise everywhere. Generator now. So I will tell you to see for our people. Come back on me, man. Let me enter inside the market. I got a lot of my father's land, my brother. And I'm outside the Biafra exile. I want him here. Even in the house, they don't know what thing they go on. But on your actual freedom, let me interview. On your actual N0w to come out. Yeah. Come back, brother. Mama. Come on, no best, eh? Where have you buy meat for this side? Okay, this side. Okay, thank you. I'll just come and like I zero no Joshi. Nothing about any man. How to what? I don't know jail. I have to come back home. I got a lot of I got my mom here, so I know feed I abroad. She going to tell her I know mark. You know how they have people alive. I'm never going to deceive our people. No deceive our people. No who educate no all and no. Very rowdy and this. And I have to and everywhere is on the run. Monagua. Oh, no, this other. I have it. Put on here. We're not going to deceive one on that side. They are just making noise. Educate referendum. Educate Biafra is here. I'm not asking. I can make my interview here. I'm not asking you. I walk one. I walk one. I'm me my. No woman. I let me go what I'm doing around. Oh, no, I'm working about it. No, thank you. I'm mining Hannah Bunny Camp. Near I had a Hanama. Idiots not somewhere near message at home. How few? Only two are here. Only propaganda. And they propaganda with freedom. Okay, you want them now Monday everywhere sit at home. Give them a that time. How old are the people? Oh, more. I don't know down.
Wonderful people, no be small thing o. As we dey talk o, na so we take see am, and now we say mo carry am come show our wonderful people. Abeg, may you leave for inside comment section and let us know what you think about this our brother wey dey call me to celeb. Aye, my people, are you going to buy this? Are you going to put your money or use this Biafra coin to start buying assets? Are you going to also make sure say this Biafra coin say you get am boku and nyafu? Let us know for inside comment section, and don't forget to share this video so that other people go join inside this video, and let us know what you think about C0in Ekpa Biafra government in exile taking over legal procedure of Mazi Nnamdi. So guys, we will see you for comment section. Share this video and make sure say this video go viral as it dey hot. My people, thank you so much for watching.